Okay, so we just finished playing an awesome game, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Just trying to see if there's anything else that I haven't played in a while that is worth taking a look at in here. This is a good one here, Iron Lights, a really fun game if you guys don't have it. It is relatively affordable, so not the most expensive game that you guys could check out. The previous one was free. If you get the quest, you can get in there for free. There's another one that's free here, which is Hall of Fame or whatever that thing is called. I'm not sure. Jurassic World has an update. I haven't played that, but there's a lot of cool things. I really like this one too. The Key, and this is one of the coolest ones. Let's see, where is that? I can't remember where it is. It's the very first thing that you get when you get into. The very first thing that you get when you get in here is, where's that game? And one of the coolest thing about that game, which is why I wanted to show you guys, is it has a blimp in it. There you go. I think this is it. It's either this one. Yeah, I think it must be this one. Let's try it. Quit the current app so that it can go into the other one, and the thing is falling off my face again. Oh no, this is not it. Maybe it is it. Okay, so this allows you to close. There's a little cool robot in there. Don't we all wish we had a robot like that? Anyway, let me see. You're in this really cool room, and you've got all these cool devices. Some look like very old machines, and some are quite new. You can pick up items and throw them across the room like that. You can be a real bad human. Oh wait, it's not doing that. Wait, what? No. You're supposed to do some. You can wave some fun experiences within this game. What I wanted to do. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Where do I put this? Oh, in there. Thank you. This is the kind of instructions that I need. Very easy to follow. So let's see if we can find the blimp. Oh, that's give me a cool thing. Let's see. Put this one in. Oh, it wants me to put this one in this one. Oh, it 3D printed something amazing. Look at that. If only we could live in a Metaverse like that. That's pretty cool, right? Butterflies. Hey, butterflies. I put butterflies everywhere. There's a round of cute butterflies. Look, it's on my finger. Don't we all wish we could do this in real life? But usually they're too scared of humans. And so they don't really want to play with us much. What do you want me to put this in here? Okay. Cool little robot. That's going to 3D print me something else. Oh, that looks cool. What is that? So, oh look. And then you can make like fun. So when I first got a chance to mess with the quest, this is the kind of thing that I thought, well, this is the kind of stuff they're going to be making, right? That looks really awesome, right? You can play with butterflies. Look, you can even get two in one hand. Then you can scare each other a little bit. Here, look, there's chips and things that you can mess around with. And then later on, you discover that This is not what the quest was designed for. It was all for those run around and shoot them up things. And I was like, wait, that's kind of lame. But anyway, this is cool. So I think there should be more of these little experiences that we can do. Let's see. Do we need to interact with the robot? We can't take that out of there. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Here we go. This is cool. Let's try this. Let's stick this in here. So again, this is one of the first experiences that I was able to mess around with in the quest. And I was like, whoa. Check this out. This is so cool. That's the wrong one. That's not what I wanted. You could shoot some rockets in the room. So that's not what I was looking for. So let's check that out. Where's that blimp? RC blimp. I'm looking for RC blimps. How do I get that? We've got a butterfly on the finger again. So, the robot is having a little adventure here. Wants me to, what do you want me to do? I took it out. It wants me to try this one? Want me to try this one? Okay. Okay, little buddy. Let's try it. Uh-oh. That looks dangerous. What is that? Oh, you can aim for stuff? Okay, not dangerous, guys. Not too bad. Laser tag is fun. Paintballing is pretty fun for one minute. Shoot people point blank, close range. Then they get upset. So maybe I could get 2 of these things. Let's see. It'll make me another one. Whoa, I lost my first one. It's okay, dude, I'm not gonna shoot. What? Oh. That was it. What is it doing? Oh, it wants me to... Here. Oh, is this cool? It has the quest logo on it. There's no meta on that one. There's no meta on that one. But I mean, this is what I was looking at, and I was like, whoa, the quest is gonna be the most amazing thing ever. Yeah, like Saber, like a lot of I was expecting double tap. I was expecting this on a big scale. This is not what I got. I'm lost. What's going on? What just happened? Maybe this is what I was looking for, but I'm lost. What's going on? No. Why did it quit out? It's a good question, right? Why did it quit out? Oh. Okay, it's loading something and then oh no, it started again, so it crashed. I don't know. Thanks. So anyway, couldn't find the blimp. Look how cool this is. This is like little toy car, van. Probably designed this from Breaking Bad or something. All kinds of cool chip systems and things. What I would like to do as usual is, hey, what's up, little guy? Let's do the blimp. Where is the blimp? Hey, bro. Where'd you hide the blimp? Okay, okay, I got you. I'm gonna stick that in there. Then start throwing some stuff at me. Come on. Oh, cool, okay. What? You can grab it. Oh, you want me to punch it? No. Wait, grab it, give it to you. Stick the butterflies in. What is this for? You want me to punch it? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't want to punch it. Oh, I love butterflies. Butterflies back. Hey, you want to land on this funny looking finger? Thank you. Here, why don't you... Well, you're too scared of the robot? I get it. Okay. Don't worry, it's not the Terminator. You'll be fine. Let's make some music. What about the press buttons? What is that thing? What is that for? I press buttons and buttons get pressed. Not really. Here, you can have that. No, you can share it. You don't want me to play that. Okay, we're putting the butterfly down. I'd like to fly the blimps. Do you have a blimp card anywhere? No? You're too scared of me. Here, have that. How about cello? You got a cello instrument for me to play? Here, I'm just gonna put that down there. I'm good. I'm good. You got the blimp. Yeah, I figured it. Oh, why are you upset? You've fallen asleep. It's falling asleep. Here, watch the video cassette. I'm not sure. You do that. Can't press. Ooh. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. Here. Here, I'll give you one of these. And, here, there's the ball. Check it out. Whoa. Whoa, that thing. They can 3D balls. Whoa, look, a 3D printer. It's Breaking Bad all over again. I don't want to make guns. I don't want to shoot this. And I can't remember what this does. What about... I'm gonna try this. What about making blue... Whoa, here. No, lost it. This 3D printer is amazing. Oh, wow. Talk about... Oh. What is this about? There's some kind of... Oh, Monty Mythical Manor. Can I watch that somewhere? Where do I stick that into? In here, no? Can't watch that? Hey, where's the blimp, man? Where's the blimp? Is the blimp one? Oh, destroying the other thing. Laser printing at its finest. Oh, it made the little computer box wild. We lost gravity. You okay, little robot? It's cool. Anything else you want to show me? You want me to look behind you? Put this down. You're worried about the little car, or the little van, trailer. Can't remember what it's called. RV. Falling over, is that what you're worried about? Okay, where are the controls so that I can go? I can't remember those. That doesn't fit in there, obviously. Oops. Button to suppress. that does something weird. What's back there? Ooh, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want this. So maybe it's in a different game? I swear. Oh, this is cool. What is it? Ocular module. Here. Put this on your drone. It's like a filter for DJI drone. So I guess that's it, guys. I was hoping to. Here, take a look. Have a ball. You want me to this one? You want me to play this one? Here, take it. Anyway. How? I missed the first one. So good at shooting. Really, really good. So I do all that. Sure, this is gonna add like it's violent. Let's see, how do I get out of here? I really wanted to fly the blimp. Okay, if you really want me to, I will fly a rocket for you. Squirrel! I will fly a squirrel if they had flying squirrels in the game. Maybe we should add flying squirrels to this game. Here. Here, take one. You don't want it? Here, you can. No, you don't want that one? Okay. You want me to shoot it at you? No, I'm not gonna do it. Ooh, how cool is that? Oops, I got the screen. Ooh, I got the golden flash thing. Ooh, what did that mean? Will I get invited to a Metaverse convention? I don't know, maybe. Let's see what happens. With the golden cartridge. What's going on? Earlier it crashed, so that was not too good. This is exciting. Maybe this is finally where I get to